I got disconnected from the live stream. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I pushed something. Yeah. Go ahead, man. Ask me a question. Just looking out. Sorry, I got disconnected earlier. I don't know what happened. I was trying to get on a Zoom meeting for my son's school. How long does it take to start using real money? Well, I mean, that's really up to you. So I would say trade with paper money for uh, a couple of months, and then let me turn off this Zoom meeting. It's over. Okay, trade with paper money for a couple months, and then when you start getting the hang of it, go. Just my opinion, go in very small. Start what you've learned, go in very small, so you don't lose nothing. Too big, something that you can afford. And also with uh, I have this platform that I use. It's called Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. You can Google TD Ameritrade, open an account with them, and you can start trading with them, paper trading as well. Uh, I think it's better if you use a company like what I'm using and paper trade with them, because then now you're going to be used to their platform and the indicators that you use, and so that one, when you start using real money, you're already like you already know the platform, you already know how everything is. So I would consider that. Go to TD Ameritrade. It's free. Also, trading commissions are free. They don't charge you for trading. And yeah, I would do that and paper trade with them, and you know, use the indicators that I have here, learn them, and a couple months from now, you can start, you know, maybe throw in the good thing is that you can buy, you can even trade with one chair, two chairs, five chairs, so it's very minimal. And you know and as you can see that you're consistently winning, well, then increase the amount that you're going in, and that's the best way to do it. And again, it's just my opinion, um, because you don't want to get in and with a lot of money, and most people, they lose a lot, then they leave the market. Oh, why didn't you learn the game first? You need to learn the game first, and then you know you can you can play the game, because remember what I said, you're playing against traders that been doing this for years. Yeah, so trend lines, you know basically, and you can start doing this yourself too, with charts. um, with trend lines, you basically just, anytime the stock, you see a trend, you just kind of draw a line, and when it breaks above that line, it's where you want to take. If you're scalping, you want to take a long position, and uh, like, for example, right here, you want to take a long position, and then you want your target to be the the previous high. Why the previous high? Because that's what shorts are going to look to short it again. If you take some off there, you sell some. For example, let's make it easy. Let's say you have 10 shares, right? You sell 5 shares there, and then if it keeps going higher, you sell the 5 shares higher. If it breaks below, well, then you sell the rest of your five. So like that, no matter what, you come out with profits. There's a thing called the VWAP as well, and this is the volume weighted average. So basically, it's as simple as, if the stock is below this volume weighted average, is considered bearish, or going down. If it's above this volume weighted average, the stock is considered still good and to go long. For example, right there, we're hitting the volume weighted average. This is where I was looking to get an entry here. It didn't quite go down, right, for a bounce up. Uh, Normally, the second time it goes through, I don't play it anymore, because the the further it goes in the day, um, you don't get those bounces as well anymore. But the first bounce is always the best one. That's what I was looking for. Didn't quite get it, so now it's coming down. There's also a 200-day moving average, which is this line right here. This is the 1 minute, and that's where shorts usually cover. The people that are shorting the stock, they usually cover on 200, and people going long, they usually um, start buying there. So it's all probabilities. Does it mean it's gonna happen? No, but the probabilities of it happening are high, and we play high probabilities. Yeah, and stocks that are very difficult to draw trend lines, you know what? Stay away from them because that means that they're very choppy, and you don't want to. If you can't make out a trend line, guess what? Other traders they can't either. So stay away from those stocks. Yeah, VXRT. I was calling that 11 short this morning with the other trader that was on. I think we lost him when I got cut off the stream. But it's been shorted. Couldn't hold that trend. The next was 200 EMA. I couldn't hold either. So what's going to happen is um, at some point here, it's going to reverse. It's going to test that 200 EMA. If it can't break it, it's just going to keep going down. So now it's going to be topping hits with that 200 EMA. It'll come, hit it, and the rest of the day I'll probably come and hit it, come and hit it. If it does break and stay above, then we have a chance to come up and hit that VWAP again. Hey, Sammy, how did you find my channel? I'm asking because I'm a brand new channel. I need to know how people are finding the channel. So like that. Also, do me a favor, man. If you like the info, if you could share it with other traders and tell them, hey, man, there's a cool dude giving free information um, on day trading. Share my channel. I'm trying to grow it. I'm brand new to YouTube. Oh, sweet, man. So you guys are. So did the other guy. He found me on YouTube. He searched a stock that was his trading this morning, and he found me. That's cool, man. Hopefully, well, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, man. Just starting out, I think I have a week. Kind of have a challenge with my son. I told him I can get us 100 subscribers for a month. He said uh, probably not gonna happen. But anyways, I'm gonna try. All right, so METX. I'm looking now that 200 EMA right here. It's exponential moving average, and you see where it's at 199 $2. That's where people shorting the stock are gonna cover, meaning they're gonna they're gonna sell back their shares for profit. I mean, buy and not sell. They're gonna buy back their shares for profit. So when you're shorting, you borrow the stock, you borrow it, okay, and you bet against it, it's gonna go down. So when it does go down, you sell it back. Add tax tag will help you. Okay. Yeah. I think I added well, maybe not on the live stream, but yeah, tax will help. What else is going on? No, go ahead, man. Go ahead, ask questions. I mean, VXRT reviving. Sweet, man. Hey, welcome to the channel. It's a brand new channel, man. If you can help me out, subscribe. I'm here to help some traders get better at their game. I'm not new to trading, but I'm new to YouTube, so I need all the love that I can get. VXRT reviving. And go ahead, Sammy, ask me questions, man. Ain't nothing happening anyways. Uh, let's go look at VXRT. Yes, sir. VXRT. Now we do have this resistance here at 965, where it was holding up. Okay. And earlier, all right, I traded the stock on the VWAP, sold the rip, and I told uh, the other member that was here earlier that 11 shorts were coming in. They're gonna short the stock. That's exactly what happened. Told him next stop was here, and then 200 EMA, and now we need a hold above the 200 EMA, or else this stock is gonna continue going down. Yeah, the what didn't help it was that the market overall it's coming down. The SPY took a dump. But yeah, we can't break above this 965. Uh, if we can and we can hold, then we can see VWAP again. Test to VWAP. If it can't, it's just gonna continue going down. The rest of the day is just gonna fade. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I tell you, I tell you guys what the charts are saying. The charts, they talk. And you need to learn how to read the charts. And I don't care who says it's going to 20 or whatever. If the charts don't tell me that it's going there, then it's not going there. You have to go by what the charts are saying. You have to take profits by where the charts are telling you what to do. You just have to follow them. Which one is risky? Buy low, sell high, or sell high, sell low? Well, I think the less risky is you buy low and sell high, but you need to know where you're buying. You buy at areas of support. You buy at areas that you know that shorts are going to cover. So those are the areas you need to buy. Give me 1 second. I'm looking at METX for a bounce off $2. Okay. And, again, you buy at areas of support. So, for example, here, I'm looking to get in here at the $2 area. Okay. Why? Look at the RSI. The RSI, okay, is the relative strength indicator, which, if it's up here, it's way it's overvalued. So think about, you're going to buy a car and the car is worth, $20,000, but here you can get it for 40,000, or over here you can get it for a cheaper price. Let's say 15,000, and the car's worth 20. So, what would you rather pay, 40 or pay 15? Right. So when the RSI is telling you the stock is way overvalued, then you got to look to take some profit. And if you're not in, then you look at areas of support like the VWAP that I was trying to get in here and I missed it by 1 penny. And I was going to write this thing up to the high again. Why this high? Because this is where it's going to get shorted again. I did go up a little bit more, but look at what happened. So you got to learn the game, how shorts play the stock, as well as you know learning how shorts think and their mind psychology is learning how, the defense plays. Like I was mentioning, like Tom Brady, he's great at reading defenses. That's why he's a great quarterback. When he gets on the line, he's not only thinking about his play, he's thinking about the defense, what they're gonna throw at him. And so it's the same thing here, the stock market. You got to think about the shorts. What are they thinking? Where are they going to cover? And so not only is the 200 EMA at $2, but it's natural resistance, mind psychology, $1, $2, $3. It's where people look to their natural support lines or resistance line. The stock's going up, so that's why $11 on VXRT. The RSI was way up there. $11. We have previous resistance plus it was natural whole number. Yeah, read that book, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. It'll help you understand psychology, how our brain works. Read it or hear it on audio over and over. It'll open your mindset to a whole new level. So the trading is, I would say, 10% technical and or 20%, and the rest is just psychology. You need to be able to understand what other people are thinking. For sure, Sammy. Hey, man, come here every day. You're going to learn. See what happens. A few months ago, the market was hot and everybody was making money. You could have bought any levels, and the market was just making money. But I put out a post on Facebook before I got on YouTube, and I said, okay, all these new traders, thinking this is easy, you're going to lose all your money once the market goes back to normal. Because once it gets back to normal, and this is normal right now. I mean, this is a tough market. And that's why, right now I look for scalps. I go in at a support level and I sell at resistance. So it's 10 o'clock. One more hour, we're going to be hitting lunch. And so volume slows down at lunch. So it's coming down to $2. Let's see if we can get a scalp there. RSI. Looking to get some here. RSI's at the bottom. For a little bounce up. Now, I'm not riding this to the moon. You have to understand that. We're just going to scalp this and take some profits. And then what happens? Rinse and repeat. You do it over and over. If you hold too long, a lot of times these traders, they're in profit and they keep holding for more, for more, for more. The market is just fear and greed. What happens, all the profit that you had, you end up losing because you held too long. That's why on the way up, you need to sell at points of resistance. You need to sell a quarter of your position, half of your position. You need to develop a plan that works for you. And then hold some and just ride it up to the next resistance line and then sell some more. What I like to do when the market's hot, I like to leave 25% of my shares just run with my stop loss at my entry. And so sometimes that 25% keeps running for days, but most of the time, if it comes down to my entry, I stop out. I'm not going to hold on the way down when I'm already in profit. I'm not going to hold that 25% down all the way down for days. But if it's up, if it's going up, I would just hold it. But I already locked in my profits. That's what you gotta understand. I'm already 75% in profit and locked it in. In times like today, I sell everything. I get in and I get out. This market is not good right now. No bueno. You know what? I'm also gonna start teaching Spanish on YouTube. If anybody wants to learn Spanish, I'll do your Spanish homework. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna do that. I don't think I even passed Spanish in high school. Because it's a different Spanish. The Spanish they teach you is the correct Spanish. The Spanish I know is like slang Spanish. The Spanish they teach you is the correct, kind of like English. I mean, most people don't talk the correct English. Anyways, it's same thing with Spanish. We pick up all these slang words from going around that's trending and stuff, and we don't speak right. Who else is on the channel? Who else is viewing? Hey man, if you could tell me how you found the channel, I'm getting as much data as possible so I can know what to do, what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. I need to get 100 subscribers by the end of this month so I can you know uh tell my son that I did it. I need to win the challenge, or else I need to give him my. He wants my Corvette. I don't think so. METX coming down. It's holding up, man. Needs to come down to $1. Let's see what else is. Everything else kind of trending down. Is the RSI MACD the best indicator? Yeah, for the most part, because that's what most traders use. So you want to use indicators that the majority of traders are using. And I would say MACD. Now, you need to develop your own plan, but I don't like to use the MACD on the 1 minute. It's just it turns too many times. It's up, then down, then it's up, and it just the MACD it kind of lags. Most indicators they lag. They're behind. The price is already telling you what to do. For example, well, I guess this one was okay. That's why I like to use the 3 minute, and I put the MACD on the 3 minute because it gives you better indication of the trend is still going. On the 1 minute, this MACD would have been crossed up, and you would have missed this whole move. So that's why using the 5 minute or 3 minute, the MACD is way better. I mean, that's what I'm used to. Also, that's what I developed. So the only concern now with METX, I mean, I'm not gonna go into big on $2 just because uh, everything's kind of slow right now. We're 1 hour away from lunchtime, and you have to be smart. I mean, where you go in bigger positions, it's in the morning. There's more volatile. There's more volume in the market. Uh, so I missed the big move here. This is where I was going in big. Uh, it just it didn't come in one more cent, and I would have been in. It just didn't get down there, and it happens sometimes. But you have to stick to your plan. I didn't when you got this bob. Guess what? I didn't chase it. I didn't chase it. I just all right, just let it go. I mean, that's not my plan. That's not my entry. You just um, throw it away, kind of like in the NFL. I keep mentioning Tom Brady. I mean, he's not my favorite quarterback, but the guy is good. You have to admit. That's why I use him as a reference. But kind of like uh, Tom Brady, if he has a plan and the play doesn't go well and there's nobody open, guess what? He throws the ball away and live to um, get another play. That's what you have to do also with trading. If you have to stick to your plan. Yeah, everything kind of went south on the market today because the SPY went down, and that's another thing you need to look at. I have the SPY on another chart here on my computer, and I'm constantly looking at the SPY to see where the overall market is heading up or down. And right now it's down. It's just I'm not sure what the news was or what happened. We have $2 now. So I'm in smaller position, $2. Not the same position I would have when I was looking for a weave up. Let's see if we can hold. If candle closes below $2, I'm gonna get out. It needs to hold. 1 minute needs to hold above $2. So two things are happening here. You know, I'm looking for shorts to cover their position because we're at the 200 EMA, and I'm looking for volume to come in. I'm looking for people like myself that see that 200 EMA and and buy in with me. How do you see that? Well, you see that on the time and sales. You see that on the bid and the ask. There's a lot of stack in the ask right now. It's not looking good, so that's why it doesn't hold here. If I don't see there, we got a little bit of volume now. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at the RSI here. I'm looking at volume. I'm looking at uh, the 200 EMA. So three things that can tell me the stock can bounce there. Shorts. This is where they cover most of the time. Let's see. I'm not looking for nothing big. I'm looking for 10 cents, 15 cents. Awesome, man. Great job. Hey, don't forget to come back tomorrow. Also, share my channel. Um, tell some people about this channel, man. So we can get it growing, and I can help more traders like yourself, so I can stay here as well. All right, brother. Stay blessed, man. You're gonna get this. You just have to work hard. Traded in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Everybody needs to listen to that. Trading in the Zone. If you don't like reading, hear it in audio, man. When you're at the gym, you know, that's a lot of times I hear audiobooks at the gym. That's when I can kind of relax and hear things while I'm working out. There's all sorts of EMAs that you can use on charts, but uh, you know, I like to keep it clean so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. So this is my 4 hour, my daily. This is where I see my resistance and my support. Okay, we get below 187. VXRT, if it can hold above that 940, it will start carrying up after lunch. METX holding 200. We're gonna break that $2 support now. I mean resistance. See, the difference in between right now and if this would have happened earlier is the volume is kind of fading right now. And so you can see volume here compared to volume now. And so that's a bit concerning on buying dips this late when we're getting close to lunch hour. So I have a $2 entry there at support. Just looking for a scalp. We can get some volume in here, traders. Some bulls coming in, shorts covering. Got a nice move up to the upside. Nothing big. Just a scalp. And then take your money and you rinse and repeat. I missed my first play in this area. So like I said, normally when I miss the first one, I don't play the next VWAP bounce. The first one's always the best one. Yesterday we had a good day in the market. Everything was kind of curling up, and then today just big sell off in the market. Yeah, METX is not doing good. I got a one set profit there. Just, it's taking too long, and now it's now below the 200 EMA. Volume is not good. Look at this volume. It's not good. We're getting close to lunch hours. Yeah, I got a 1 cent profit there. I'll take it. Not gonna risk it. Best play was right here. Totally missed it. A 1 cent. I had orders right here. Missed it, but that's the name of the game. Can't chase. Nah, might look to pop here, but it's all right. Look like he wants to. It's a battle. I gave it a, I gave it enough time. Just couldn't do it. You have to be smart in these times. CPR soaring down. Pixie's all over the place. Wicks up and down. MBO. Same thing. Trading low volume. MDGS. And these are all just stocks coming down my scanner, but I'm going through them. Nothing good happening. VXRT holding above that $9. Well, VXRT might go for a run this afternoon if it can break above that 960 areas resistance. So something to watch. Anybody trading Dogecoin? Let's go see what's up with Doge. 31 cent. Hold on, let me stretch for a little bit. Okay, VXRT needs to hold the support right here. Let me make the line darker. Make this line's a bit dark. I mean, brighter, not dark. Okay, so we're in this channel now. Two things are gonna happen. It's either gonna break to the downside, or later on after lunch, it could break to the upside, and then we can look at 990 area to $10 for targets. All right, just kind of slow, man. CAPR coming down. METX coming down. VXRT just sideways trending. What is happening? Hmm. Keep an eye on VXRT. There's the resistance line right here. We can break above. We could see a move to around 990 area to $10. Right now we're trading on this channel right here. So in and out of the 200 EMA. We do have a signal here, and as long as we stay above 938. So we're going to be trading in this channel until we get a breakout to the upside or to the downside. The XRT on the 200 EMA now. All right, so we need to hold above this candle right here, 937. If we break below it, we're going to come and test this support line again. If we can stay above it, we're going to come and test this resistance line. There, this is breaking below. So it's lunchtime. Volume is low. But this is top watch for the rest of the day. There's nothing else moving. Well, man, we have, let's see. Everything's downtrending. The market kind of plummeted today. SPY's down. Maybe we get a bounce this afternoon. But we'll see. Yeah, everything's coming down. Yeah, so this is the channel we need to look. VXRT. We can break above this. Like I said, we'll see 990 to $10. Not sure we can break VWAP today with this volume. SPY still coming down. Yesterday, everything seemed to be bouncing like we're heading in the right direction. And today, we're back to square one. If you have a question about a stock, let me know. We're a brand new channel here. We're not new to trading, but we're new to YouTube. So learning along the way. If you could give us a subscribe, thumbs up, will really help us tell other traders about us. I'm here to help. I'm here to teach. I'm here to guide. Just give you my view of things. This pre-market had some traders follow along. XRT did great. So let me know. You want me to look at something? I'll give you my view, my input. Pixie. Oh, Pixie's moving up too. Yeah, I need to put Pixie. My level 2 here. Does Pixie have any news? Just announced its sponsorship of Forceback offering. Forcebacks backed up by Chief Pixie plan to raise $1.25 million. Billion. All right. That's why Pixie is moving. Hold on. I think I just found out why my music's not playing. So we're going to be watching Pixie and VXRT. We are in lunchtime, well, 2 minutes away from lunchtime, and lunchtime's really slow. PXRT kind of grinding. Give me 1 second here, and let me see if I can get the music in the stream. Oh, there it is. The problem now is that if I can solo the charts, but what happens is I can't put my I can't put my face down there, or else I'll take it off. Okay, I don't know what happened. The volume died off. I think it has to be. Let's see. The actual stream. Yeah. VXRT breaking that support. Yeah, not looking good. So basically, the only thing left is Pixie. Hmm. All right, VXRT breaking the support levels. Now we got $9 natural resistance. Pixie coming down as well. Testing VWAP. All right, it's lunchtime, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and log off. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep coming back and making more. Uh, Also, share it with your friends and put it on your Facebook, your Instagram. Say, hey, there's this guy who's helping out traders, especially new traders, um, and giving us levels, support, resistance. Uh, you know, so go ahead and subscribe so you can get the notification tomorrow. We'll go live day trading tomorrow during the market open. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, stay tuned.